kids! My name is Joycey Horsey. Are you ready to read with me? Yes.
Yep.
Okay, let's go! Before we begin our story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are going to read the book, The Windy Day, from Dora the Explorer. Are you ready? Let's begin! It's such a windy day. I think I hear tree limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here, but look, someone wrote me a note. It is from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at Play Park. I need to wrap up before I go. Abuela knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Isa. Boots wrote her a note too, but something is wrong. Isa only has one mitten. Oh no! The wind blew Isa's other mitten up on a tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He is really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Isa's mitten, and Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to Play Park together. We made it to Play Park. There is Boots, and look what he has. 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites! Hooray! The end. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.